To some breaking news about the vaccine, chosen to be the mainstay of Australia's efforts to defeat COVID-19. European powerhouses, Germany, France, Italy and Spain, have become the latest countries to suspend distribution of the AstraZeneca coronavirus shot. The decision follows similar moves by Ireland, the Netherlands and Thailand, after Norway and Denmark reported instances of blood clots developing in people who'd had the jab.
A top US health official has revealed an independent board is now reviewing data from American trials of the vaccine. AstraZeneca and the World Health Organization say there is no proof of any link. Let's go straight to our Europe correspondent, Nick Dole in London. Nick, good morning. So which countries are stopping these vaccinations? And the big question, why?
Well, the reason that these countries have given is that there does seem to be some connection potentially with blood clotting, but none of the countries that have decided to hit the pause button say that there is any confirmed link so far. So over the last few days, we saw sort of a growing tide against the AstraZeneca virus. We had countries like Denmark, Norway, countries like the Netherlands and Ireland saying that they would pause the rollout of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. And just in the last few hours overnight, we've had the big European nations, so Germany, France, Italy and Spain now as well. They all say that they are going to pause the rollout of this vaccination while they try to assess whether or not there is indeed a link between people who've had the jab and those people who've been developing blood clots. Interestingly, of course, Italy being one of those countries that has hit the pause button just a couple of weeks ago, it prevented 250,000 doses of this vaccine heading for Australia's shores. Well, now it has decided too that the risk is too great. France, for its perspective, it says it's waiting on the European medicines regulator to make a decision about this. Germany says this isn't a decision that it takes lightly, but one that it believes it needs to make for the benefit of its population. But it's going to be a major blow to not only the the rollout across Europe, which has been suffering severe delays, but also the reputation of the AstraZeneca vaccine itself.
And of course, AstraZeneca is the vaccine most Australians will get. So what is the company and the World Health Organization saying about the safety of this vaccine?
Well, the company says that there is absolutely no link that has been proven between this vaccine and any blood clotting issues. It points out that AstraZeneca, this vaccine's gone to about 17 million people already in the UK and in Europe. And the company says that there were fewer than 40 blood clotting events that were reported as of last week. And they say that that's essentially the same as people who've had other vaccines. Experts here in the UK say that they remain very confident in it. Of course, it's a UK-developed vaccine. It's been given to 11 million people here in the UK without any major issues, and the UK government says it won't be stopping. And the World Health Organization says there is absolutely no reason to stop rolling this vaccine out. It says the fact that European countries have suspended it merely proves that the precautions and proves that the surveillance programs are doing their job. But it says that the benefits of this vaccine certainly outweigh the risks, and those risks really aren't proven at the moment. But as it stands, a major blow to this vaccine in Europe, and we still don't know how long these suspensions will remain in place, if they're lifted at all.
Nick Dole in London, thank you.